Hey, Joe from Boulet's Garage here. So let's say you want to do the right thing and you've got new tires on your car and you're going to go get an alignment done. Now, this car is old. This is a 2008. And you have the service advisor come out and say, we can't make an adjustment to your rear toe adjusters. And what they mean is this. This used to be a jam nut and there's one on the other side. They're so rusted badly. Um, this would take a lot of heat to loosen that up and get it to move. So this is your toe adjuster. Adjust it toe in, toe out. Same thing on the other side. If you look at this side, same thing goes here. It's all completely seized. This thing has not been turned in a long time. So in case you trying to get an alignment done and they tell you, well, sorry, we can't do it, this might be the cause, and it may be costly to get it adjusted.